Hey kids, we're gonna test out some fire resistant clothing right now. That's right. Fire resistant clothing from our friends at Bocomal. Bocomal FR. This is the flame resistant workwear. This one is different than the last one. The last one, you know, was button up, right? It could be down there too. This one happens to be more like a t-shirt. So I'm excited to try this out. Right there, check it out. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. We're gonna put it to the test. We're not messing around today. I feel like Tay-Tay had a costume change. Come on, all right, fine. What we're gonna do is we're going to do some grinding. We're gonna do some cutting. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably do a little bit of welding. And then it actually fits real nice. I mean, you know, I got it over my t-shirt. And then we're going to give it one heck of an endurance test. And we're gonna do it right here. So I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna do this. Hey, check. On Space Beach. Anyway, what we're gonna do, we got a brand new disc on here. Flat disc. We're not messing around today. No, we're not. We're gonna right there. Right there. Right now. Get it? Get over here. Come on. Stop trying. Stop. I don't remember what it was. Oh, first we gotta get a clamp because we're gonna hold this down. Did you see it? You didn't. Okay. You gotta say stuff and you can't see stuff. All right, here we go. So we have clamp. And we're gonna put this right in here right now. Actually, let me take this a little bit. And we're just gonna give that a little. Okay. Now, we've got our stuff on. Got a thing. I need safety gear. Always safe and up. Tired of having to tell you guys that all the time. And then put the gloves on. I don't want to hear any complaints about it either. Who's got the gloves? Huh? Oh, they're right here. Are we gonna go whole hog? Maybe. Did I get a hog? No. But I do have a grinder. Let's do it. We got some dust. Got no holes. I'm gonna switch that up to a cutting disc. Disc loaded. Dust, no holes. Now, we're set up for the big test. I'm going to put on the other one, the other Bocomal FR, sure, that they sent me. I really like this one. It's just nice and sturdy. But this is about this guy right here. Now we will have all the information like we always do on the thing. Right? Right. So here we go. Now we're just going to we're going to grind sparks right at this thing. Why? Well, because that's what we're going to do. Now, I have another idea too. We'll have to see if I like it enough. Because I really might. It's pretty grueling. All right, there we go. We're going to put this guy on again. Yep, really good. Gloves right there. Why? Because you're gonna get the real scoop here. What we need, get closer. Yep, here we go. Let's check it out. If you can tell, it's a lot of grinding dust. Not a mark on it. Not a mark on it. How can you beat that? You can't. I'm telling you. Bocomal shirts. This clothing has been great. See that? That's just a fold mark. That's all that is. Because everything was right here. That's now, I've thought about something really grueling, and I'm gonna go for it. We're gonna test it out right now. I'm not kidding. We're gonna do it. See? Lights it right up. We're gonna see what it does to that. Don't make a mess or start a fire. Do not, and I repeat, do not do this at anywhere. I am not a trained professional, but I'm on the TV and I stayed at a Holiday Inn Select last night, down something. Is that the one? Anyway, I stayed in my house. There's the thing. I got, yep, here we go. There's some marks on it, but it did not, it's definitely hot. You can see where I used the torch. You can see it, but you also saw it didn't start on fire. I'm not kidding. You saw it. You saw the whole thing. Bocomal, FR, I'm telling you. Oh, look at that. The marks even come out. All right, kids. What did we learn today? That Bocomal, FR, makes one hell of a shirt. I mean, you can see the torch did not start it on fire. And the mark that it left is coming right off just by rubbing it. I bet you wouldn't even be able to see it. These Bocomal garments are 100% Honest Paint Speech Up approved. You know why? Because that safety's no accident, kids, and that makes all the difference. this, between you and burning yourself, makes a big difference. I don't know, you check them out right now. The video is all done, and I will guarantee that you will not be upset with this. They're nice and affordable, they're comfortable, and clearly high quality. So, thanks for supporting us, and thank you to Bocomal FR for the opportunity to work with you again. I could not be happier with this at all. I definitely will be using this one and that one again in my shop here. Don't forget to ding and check out Bocomal FR. Keep on wrenching, kids.